Hello, my name is Gerald Malone. Okay, and what I'm going to do is share with you uh, an informative collaboration about taking insulin. Yes, if you don't know, I'm a diabetic, and this is insulin, which stays cold, refrigerated. And I'm just going to give you a brief rundown of what to do here. Something you have to get used to. I won't actually administer myself a shot. That might be kind of too much for some people, and that's okay. That's not my goal. Just to show you the basics of it, give you a little information about how it's done. Um, Alcohol, you want to make sure, okay, and you want to make sure that you clean the area that you're about to administer um, the insulin to. Okay, clean needles, fresh, clean needles, fresh needles all the time, fresh needles. Uh, these bad boys have not been used. Okay, these have not been used. One way that you can tell, they still have the tip on it. Okay, it's not like you can't take another tip off and put it on. You can, but this is a fresh one here. Not been used. I'm going to waste this one just to show you guys how this is done, give you an idea without actually doing it. You want to have a sharps container to throw it away, dispose of. Don't want the kids to get in any of that, So what you do is take it off. Um, you want to first clean the area that you want to use with the alcohol, as I stated. You also want to clean the top with alcohol as well. Um, I don't have any alcohol pads at the time because I use direct alcohol, so I'll pour the alcohol on top of it, and just to make sure it's clean. So definitely want to sanitize your stuff before you use it. Don't want any germs, any contagions. That's horrible. That's a whole different story. And here, boom. So you have the needle, okay? And one thing I learned is that you want to make sure that there's no air in the needle. So what you do here is you insert the needle into this area. Okay, that's a cork inside. Nothing gets in or gets out unless you're using the needle or you destroy it and make it come out. And then you put it in there. Now, what I do is I always hold it down first. Okay, I pull so that there's air inside. Okay, and then I turn it upside down where the liquid is on top. Then I push, and to get all the air out, then I retrieve. Okay, sometimes it takes a couple of times to get it to where I need it, and I use it at 30. Okay, so I get it a little bit above 30, like 31, and I'm gonna show you why here in a second. So I take it out. Now, while it's there, I'm taught to do that to get any air out, and also press it, and some comes out. You didn't see it there because of our distance, um, and then I'm ready to go. Before I actually inject myself, I'll clean the area again and then inject it into myself, whether it's on the leg or the arm or the thigh or the stomach. You usually want to use the area where it's most fat, less painful. Where there's muscle, there can be a greater sting. But it's all for good. It's a good cause. And so that's how you give yourself an insulin shot if you need it. It takes a little getting used to. At first I was quite nervous. Now I do it like it's no thing. It's actually, I like doing that more than I do um, taking pills. Um, taking those huge pills, that was quite annoying. So that's the basics of it. I hope this gave you a little insight on this. Diabetes, they don't have a cure for it yet. Hopefully one day they will. But until then, you have to do what you have to do. And eat right, try to exercise, and be healthy. It's very helpful. All right. I hope this has been informative for those that don't know. Thank you for your time.